It's so good. It's so good in my mouth. It's so good in my mouth. It's like heaven. If heaven like this, I don't wanna go. We back with another one. Abisai, stay fly. Yeah, I said it. I say fly to the sky, then I take it to a drive. Bad bitches here, the bad dudes here. Get it on my head. Vigilante squad, are you here? Vigilante squad, are you here? Vigilante squad, are you here now? You take it down right, you hit that like button all day, all night. Thanks for supporting the love, that's true. Keep it up with me, that's what we do. Yeah, A-B-I-S-A-I. Abisai, 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 we back with another one. I know it's been a long time coming for this. Cooking for the channel after so long. Abisai here. We are back with another video, and we're about to see him make a pizza. This will be my first time making a pizza ever, because I really wanted to make a pizza. No, I'm sorry. The music. Calm that down. So this is my first time making a pizza. I wanted to make it quick and simple. So Vigilante Squad, welcome back. Thanks for supporting, showing the love, doing your thing out there, you know, staying safe, leveling up, doing your things out there, like for real. Y'all doing it out there. So, and if y'all new, welcome to the channel. Hit the subscribe, like, there's no reason you should not be subscribed. We do a lot of things over here, okay? We are talented and creative. And sometimes we might get reckless with the mouth too sometimes, but we calm down. So join the family, you know, join the friends, join the subscribers, join the supporters, join all that. And we'll be on our way. So I always wanted to make a pizza for such a long time. And I felt like pizzas nowadays, you have to, it's a hit and miss. Like, there be some people, it's be more so the cooks. Like, whoever cooking on a certain specific day, they just be hitting it off. Like, they really in a good mood. But them other days, like, you catch it at the wrong time.
You, scrawny kid, give me your plate.
You may get something like half cooked. Not what you want. Never done that, so I'd rather just do it here. And then I had the idea, like earlier today, it's like, hey, let's make a freaking Chicago deep dish pizza. And I said, oh my god. So this will be my first time doing that because I never had one and I always wanted to eat one. Ever since I was a kid, I'm telling you that freaking does matter. So I got some pre-made though. So I added a little bit of something, like a little bit of like extra. Secret. It tastes fine, but usually with pre-made doughs, if you get in the pre-made dough, you kind of like, it could be a hit and miss. And sometimes so I'll say like add like extra stuff in it. I can't tell you how much because I'm not that expert, but I kind of just know. It's kind of like, it's just a trial and error kind of thing. So you just go sprinkle this like you doing some Chemical X Powerpuff Girl kind of stuff, or something like, I don't know, just whatever it is, you do that. So we got the dough already. I actually looked it up before I started cooking. It said for like pre-made dough, like you get it from the fridge, and you take it out the fridge, do 30 minutes to almost 2 hours to let it rise up from normal temperature if it's cold, because you know it's winter. So heating up, you use the oven. Low heat, very low heat. Don't go past no dang 300. Go lower than that, and you'll be on your way. So that's what I did. I put a little bit of some butter or some liquid or some oil, some kind of thing to help it like moist up, you know. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna get started. I'm so excited because I'm worried. I really want this to go correctly. Wearing bonnets, scarves, do-rags, wave caps, sleigh lace fronts, like Hey, you know you're gonna cook good. So, okay, so I'm putting flour on my cutting board. Yeah, we do professional things over here, okay? Professional things. We are as well as going to flour up the rolling pin, kind of get nice and moist. And sometimes I might see him go ahead and do my hands too, just in case when I need to pick it up, I can pick it up. It's a little bit cracked. I'm not the best at dough, but I think I'm getting used to it. I need a teacher. That's what we're gonna do. That's why we taking classes, B. That's what we doing. So we're gonna flatten it out as best as we can so we can fit it in this skillet. I'm really doing this like I know something. Like, nah, I'm just going by what I learned over the years. Really. Shoot, especially playing Cooking Mama. Who played Cooking Mama? Hit the like button.
One eternity later.
This is a lot. Jeez, great. Good Lord. Get some oil. Oil up the skillet. I'm just gonna do it like this. That's enough. You don't want to rinse it like that. And we're just gonna put it all around the edges. This is really gonna be simple because I already got the oven on at least a good 425. That's what it said for this. Well, we try to do our best. So I got some actual pizza sauce, so it's already pre-made, but I'm gonna add my little extra stuff in. I did the wrong one. I had the one that was already open. I opened the unopened one. I like mine with extra sauce, by the way. That's just me. And I don't like mine with cheese, but I'm gonna add cheese just kind of halfway. Cause I can make my own pizza, right? I just use the regular stuff that you're supposed to use in a pizza. A little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of Parmesan leaf, a little bit of spice, and everything nice, okay? And then I might add a little bit of sugar.
Chemical X.
Look, it helps. I'm making mine with pepperoni, so, yeah. Make this halfway. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, hey. That's so silly as hell. This is so fun. This is fun. Like we had some, I actually wanted to do a supreme pizza at first, a regular supreme pizza, but I was like, I want this. I want this. All that sauce. Saucy. I should have done this at the beginning, or did the sides first and the pizza. I'll do better. Mama not happy. Oh, I cracked myself up. That's all that matters. Okay. I put it in the oven. It said 20 to 28 minutes. I don't know. We'll watch. That's the point. Oh my God. Oh, the braids. I got it out the oven. I hope it comes out right. I mean, the size ain't like it's supposed to be because I want that thick dough. That's why it's better to make the dough. But it's late at night. I was doing a late night snack. Well, yeah, late night snack. And plus, I'm gonna do a gameplay later on for everybody who knows me. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. It said wait for 10 to 15 minutes to let it cool down. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. And I'm gonna come back and actually give it a whirl or a twirl. I don't know what the heck I'm saying. So yeah, I'll be right back, and I hope to see it. But it looks nice even regardless of this. I like how the sauce is looking. It's looking very like you just want to go. And it smells pretty good too. So I don't know how it's gonna come out. I really don't know. But I'm going to see. It looks nice from the top. But that bottom, I don't know. I hope it's thick. Okay. At least I tried. There's something. That is something, because I am something. Okay, it's cute. It's cute. It's now about the test of seeing if it'll taste right. I don't know if it's the cheese side or not, but I'll find out. No, yeah, it is. It's so good. It's so good in my mouth. It's so good in my mouth. It's like heaven. If heaven like this, I don't want to go. Okay. It tastes good. Like, I wish I could just give y'all some. Like, here y'all go. Like, taste it. Taste it. Hit the like button. Mm-hmm.